Tired of expensive and slow money transfers? Let's dive into how easy it is to send money with TapTap Send, ensuring your remittances are safe, quick, and hassle-free. Get ready to send money confidently. First, open the TapTap Send app on your phone. You'll be greeted by a screen where you need to select your destination country. Simply scroll through the available options or use the search function to find the country where you want to send money. After choosing the country, the next step is to enter the amount you wish to send. The app will automatically display the exchange rate to your local currency, so you always know exactly how much the recipient will receive. Now, let's enter the recipient's information. You'll need to provide details like their full name and phone number accurately. This ensures the money reaches the right person. The app might also ask for the recipient's bank details, depending on the sending options available in your chosen country. The next screen will provide a summary of your payment details. Take a moment to review everything: the country, amount sent, recipient's information, and the fees. Make sure all the details are correct. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. The app quickly processes the transaction, and you'll usually receive a confirmation message. This often includes a tracking number to monitor the status of your transfer. This ensures a secure and efficient process to send money. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can send money safely and securely using TapTap Send. It's quick, easy, and offers great exchange rates. So, why wait? Start sending money with TapTap Send today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.